On a water pump today on a Highlander, and just gonna demo what I do sometimes. I'm using my Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet, and I'm using my Milwaukee 3/8 impact, and neither of them have batteries in them. This one here, this Milwaukee, has a tethered M12 battery that works off the vehicle battery, and I'm gonna show you that it works awesome. There's that one. And then the 3/8 impact with the tethered battery. And they'll stay strong for hours. And really the function of that is when you forget to charge your batteries, like I do occasionally. And then while we're working on it, we're using the Goose-Grip Light. That's right here. That's the 36-inch long flexible metal gooseneck, and the vacuum suction plate is attached to the windshield, and it also runs off a Milwaukee M12 battery. And all of these are available on goosegrip.com. Check it out. There's 3 other lights there as well. This is the most popular though. I'm out.